Hello friends, how are you? I wish or I hope that you will be fine and you all are welcomed to the next part or new part of our English root word, and today we have the root word ambulo. Ambulo means to walk, means to roam, means to ride or whatever, whichever, whosoever or how many words you can take, the meaning of these words remains same. On today we have the five words which are built on the ambulo means which means walk, and the first word is ambulatory, preambulator, amble, ambulance, and somnambulism. Do you know the meaning of these words? Yeah, many of you would know have the meaning of the words, but do you know how the words have been created? Let us look at this. Ambulatory, from the ambulo, ambul means walk, and otrivari, which means adjective suffix. Adjective suffix. So do you know the meaning of ambulatory, which means able to walk? Able to walk, the person after accident when he has damaged his body part, able to walk. So you can say, referring to a person who is convalescent, convalescent, which means the person who is becoming good, increasing his health. The person who is able to walk after accident, he is convalescent, he is getting well. You can say getting well. Getting well means ambulatory, means able to walk. The person who has broken his bone of the leg and he is able to walk after the recovery, you can say he is ambulatory, which means he is able to walk. Now, perambulator, here per means first, or you can say supporter, and ambulo, which means walk, and tor, which means also supporter. It is actually a suffix. Many where you hear the word or supporter, exporter, the person who does. So preambulator means supporting to walk, the person who is not able to walk after the accident, and the something which is supporting him to walk is called perambulator. So perambulator is actually the machine or something physical thing, a stick to walk. So something supporting to walk. A stick may also be a person who support another to walk, which means perambulator means support to walk. Now amble from ambulo, it means walk ambulously, which means roaming like the person who has no any work, not any walk. So it also means wanderer, that we call in Hindi. Different meanings are there. Awara, wanderer. So amble means wanderer, awara. Now ambulance, medical healing equipment device, or you can say a vehicle which contains the medical healing devices. So what is the meaning of ambulance? Amble which means to walk, and lens means to help. So help to walk to help. Ambulance actually does what? Ambulance actually help the person by taking him to the hospital. So ambulance was historically used during Anglo-Boer War, when the people used to carry the wounded people to the hospital. So ambulance means walk to help, come to help. So you can tell your friends what is the meaning of ambulance. Ambulance means come to help, go someone and help him when he is wounded. Now next word, somnambulism. First is somnus, which means sleep, and ambulo, which means walk. So very easy meaning it is walking while sleeping, So some person have the symptoms during the sleeping, he walk, so it is actually a disease. Some person walk while sleeping, so walk while sleeping. walk while sleeping. So somnambulism means walk while sleeping. You sleep, you walk when you sleep, then it is called somnambulism. So I hope you all have learned and understood these words. Please like, subscribe and share this video, and please subscribe my channel and get the notification bell on, so you will get the next video as soon as I upload. So thank you, and we will meet in the next video.